Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. My name is Dehan, and today we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to potentially buy on the dip. Right now the market is literally trading flat. We've been around this range now for the past 14 days or so, just going back and forth to where we're at on the large cap coins. Our top gainer here in the past 24 hours is going to be shipping. Right here it's up 295% in the past 24 hours, trading at 7 cents. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum's volume pretty much staying the same here for the past 2 or 3 days. 22.8 billion on the Bitcoin and 12.6 billion on Ethereum. Bitcoin's up 0.3%, Ethereum is up 0.6%, but the day before it was down about 0.5%. So literally we're bouncing back and forth in this range. Bitcoin around 41 to 43,000 area. Ethereum about 3,000 to 3,200 area, and we keep going back and forth here. So other coins here, altcoins, obviously we have Binance Coin up 1%, Cardano is down 5%, so taking a pullback here from that massive 40 or 50% run that we had last week. Solana's down 1%, Ripple's trading flat, Luna is up about 4% or so, and we see a lot of other ones that are trading flat pretty much. Cosmos up 4.5% or so. Crypto.com is down 3%, now down over about 56% from the all-time high area that we saw. And then as you guys can see down here, we have another winner here. FTX token up over 7.8%. But it seems to be everything is all over the place. We're seeing some green, some red, some trading sideways. The market has everything you need. You just have to go out there and find it, I guess you could say. If we take a quick look at the crypto bubbles now, actually, it seems like things are turning around here in the past 7 days, and things are turning more red, and we're only see a few green here. We have here Marlin, which is up about 23%. We have Secret up 34%. Another one here, Beefy Finance, 32.5%. Moonbeam, 19%. Badger right here is up about 26% or so. Obviously right here, FTX token, which is the one we just talked about at the beginning. But it seems like there's less and less green and more red. Obviously the first one here I see is Decentraland making a pullback of 7.9% or so. So there's obviously opportunities out there. You just have to go out there and get it. As you can see, the metaverse coins are all down here in 2022 so far. So guys, before we get into this content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 65 plus likes on this video. I know you guys can do it, so go ahead and tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Engine, ENJ, and the reason this one is going to be on this list is because of the metaverse play. So this is one of the metaverse plays. They already have so much things going on for it. If we take a look here, we are taking a slight dip here for from the highs that we were trading at just a few months ago. So in the past 24 hours, we're down about 3%. Past week, 10%. Past month, we're trading flat. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 430%. This coin was trading at around 35 cents or so, a little bit less than that here last January. Hit highs in March, hit highs again in April, pulled back down with the market, and then obviously here in October, when Facebook changed its name to Meta, all these metaverse coins or players potentially started to boom at the beginning of October from 150. We hit highs here at one point in November, right around Thanksgiving, at around almost $5. So insane run there, about 250, close to 300% gain, and then obviously everything started to take down. So this is when pretty much the end, began for everything, and everything pulled back down. Hit lows, came back up a little bit, hit lows again, but it's bouncing off of that same area now multiple times around this $2 range, $2.15 or so. That seems to be like a support level that we could possibly build, but if it breaks through that and continues to go lower, we could go down to about $1.60 before we hit a next resistance level, or next support level, I guess you could say, previous resistance levels in the past. But definitely still a great coin, 430% the past year. And with metaverse, coming in the future, we're still a few years away from, getting fully into it. But this could be an opportunity to buy the dip for the future, and you might not get an opportunity like this in a long time. So very nice here. Only a 1.9 billion market cap, so it's not even nothing crazy. I mean, if we were trading at $10 or so, this would be over about a 10 billion market cap, which is still not too crazy at all. So easy 5x opportunity in the next 5-10 years or so on this coin. Now volume, we can see volume is flat at 169.9 million. Typical hold time is going to be 40 days. It is ranked the number 35 coin. We have 62% buy activity, 38% sell activity on this coin. If you're not familiar with the coin, Engine Coin is an Ethereum token that aims to make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens, NFTs. ENJ is used to directly back the value of NFTs minted within the engine ecosystem. How does this all work? Well, the ENJ token is the platform's native currency. When a new NFT is minted on the network, a chosen amount of ENJ is minted into the token. The locked funds give the newly built good real world value, the goods real world value, as each item can be at any point melted back into the underlying ENJ backing. The engine platform also provides software developer kits that equip developers with tools to build their own NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain and enable their integration into the gaming ecosystem or apps of their choice. The platform also maintains its own native NFT marketplace and a wallet with NFT support. Now, something to keep in mind with Engine is NFTs created with Engine use a standard called ERC 1155, which was developed by Engine's team and is distinct from the more common ERC 721 standard pioneered by the NFT project CryptoPunk. So, very, very interesting to see how this one's going to work, especially with NFTs still booming. So, if NFTs continue to boom, this is a positive thing for Engine. So, definitely interesting one, guys. You let me know in the comments below. Do you own Engine or do you plan on owning it in the future? Let me know in the comments below. Second altcoin is going to be Binance Coin, BNB, one of the larger cap coins that I want to talk about. Obviously, here in the past 24 hours, we're down, or actually up 1%. Past week, we're down 2%. Past month, almost 10%. And on the 1 year chart, we're up over 1,000%. So this coin was trading at around $37 last January, hit highs here in February, pulled back down slightly, and then hit new highs here, which was actually the all-time high area at around $690 here in May. From that May area, we went to lows of $250 or so, came back up here to highs, almost hitting that $690 area again. We were close to about $650, $660, and then ever since then, once again, the market just continued to hammer this one down. We hit lows, and then we were bouncing back off of that low. That's kind of like the support level that we've seen in the past here from previous resistance areas around the $500 area. That's exactly where we're at right now. So we're going to be waiting either for a bounce or a pullback even lower. 77.7 billion market cap, 15% lower volume than usual at 1.7 billion. And then obviously all-time high at $690, like we said. Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So with these support levels that we're seeing right now, and then obviously resistance levels at around 550 or so. It's going to be very interesting to see what's going to happen. Are we going to go higher or are we going to continue down lower and lower? If we continue down lower and lower, we could hit lows down here around 400. And after that 400 range, could even hit lows to about 350 to 300 after that. So very interesting to see what's going to happen with Binance Coin. Then we have our third altcoin, FTX token, FTT. This one here in the past 24 hours making a nice move here of almost 8%, trading at $47.75. In the past week, we're up 15%. Past month, 20.9%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 355%. This coin is looking beautiful in my opinion. Obviously, we're trading at $10. Hit highs here in May at around 61, pulled back down to 22, hit new highs up here at around $85. And then from that $85 range, we've cut about pretty much, I guess you could say 50% of that, even more at one point here when we hit lows at around $35 or so. That was kind of like a support level that we bounced off of multiple times now, and we're hoping to continue to bounce and pass through this $51, $50 resistance, continue to push on higher, potentially to $60, and continue to push on higher after that, and then a huge gap up all the way to the all-time high area. So that's going to be the future outlook that we're going to be looking for with that coin. 6.6 billion market cap. We see volume is up 27% at 319 million in volume, and obviously the all-time high area is going to be around that $85 range. So this coin right now, hopefully we're going to be seeing some more upside going into the rest of 2022. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about these three coins? Now, let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, like we said, Cardano making a slight pullback here from the areas that we saw in the past week or so. Dogecoin down 1%. Seems like this one's always red. Whenever we take a look at Doge, it's in the red. But we obviously saw it a little bit lower here yesterday compared to where it is right now. But all of those gains from Elon Musk last week are pretty much wiped out. All, 6 or 7 cents that it went up, it pretty much, took all that back now. And we're back to almost the area we were trading right before that announcement. So then we have Ethereum here. Ethereum is trading flat. In the past week, we're down 6%. Past month, we're down 18%. Past year, we're up 126%. So obviously, This one has been hammered here pretty much since November. We're down about $1,700 from the all-time high area. If this goes under 3,000, we could see a bigger dip, which is what we've been talking about lately, and we're just waiting to see what's going to happen. Is it going to continue to push on lower, or are we going to see a rebound? 372.3 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is trading flat, 74% buy activity, 26% sell activity, and 72-day typical hold time on Ethereum. Then we have Bitcoin trading flat as well at around this 42,000 area. Past week we're down 4%. Past month we're down 9.8%. But literally we've been trading in this range since January 7th. So about 2 weeks almost. On the 1 year chart, Bitcoin's up almost 18% or so. But we're a long ways away from that 69,000 area. I mean, we're down about close to about what, $26,000 or so from that area. So over a 50% upside potential to get back to that all-time high area. Market cap 792.7 billion, 32% of the crypto market space. Volume is literally flat, like I said, 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity, and typical hold time is 84 days. You know, a lot of people are getting a little bit, bearish on cryptocurrency, but there's also people that are becoming more bullish because now they're saying there's going to be a rebound. Other people are saying we're going to crash, we're going to continue to go down lower. Nobody really knows what's going to happen, but we can all make predictions, look at some analysis, and see what we think is going to happen, and then somebody's going to be right, obviously, either on the upside or the downside. I personally think we're going to be trading sideways for a little bit, and then towards the end of spring and beginning of summer, into the end of 2022 second half, we're going to be seeing a rally. In my opinion, I think that's what's going to happen, especially towards the end of the year. We might see all-time highs once again, but personally, that is just my opinion. Obviously, like I say, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so this is not financial advice. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 65 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.